When your hands get messy after play or when you eat, it's time to wash those little hands, make them fresh and clean and sweet. Wash, wash, wash your hands, scrub them nice and clean. Wash, wash, wash your hands, make them shiny with the sheen. Turn the tap on gently, water splash, splash all around. Rub the soap between your hands, make bubbles dance and bounce. Wash, wash, wash your hands, scrub them top and bottom too. Wash, wash, wash your hands, let the clean shine right on through. Rub your palms together, scrub between your little fingers. Wash the backs and thumbs as well, make the happy, clean smell linger. Wash, wash, wash your hands, rinse the bubbles down the drain. Wash, wash, wash your hands, now they're clean again, again. All done drying with a towel, soft and fluffy in your hands. Clean hands make us healthy. We're the Smarty Tots Clean Hands Clan.
Subscribe to Smarty Tots for more learning videos for little kids. Goodbye!